Amazing hair tips for every stylish man in 2022. Insane, large volume hair, hairstyle tips. Are you ready to try something new this year? A hairstyle can be the only thing that can make a person look wild to sexy. Hairstyles also reveal a lot about you to the individuals you encounter and can create a lasting impression. To put it another way, this is not a decision you want to make hastily. A beautiful men's hairdo is essential for feeling young, confident, and ready to face the world. To discover the best-looking hairstyle for men, you're on the correct channel. Welcome to Men's Fashion and Health. Today, we'll be talking about all the hairstyles that will be taking over the year 2022. The best haircuts for men today will keep you up to date and stylish. Let us dive into the video without any further ado. Do you have a lot of experience in the field of men's hairstyles? Let us know in the comments. There are always the classics that all men can fall for, but in today's generation, in the year 2022, why not give it a new look or new style to ourselves, right guys? There are a lot of hairstyles that really stood out and men should try them once at least. Number 1. Classy quiff with spikes: a quiff with spiky hair. So why not? The never-ending spiky trend seen in popular football players can be different. Just keep an eye out for the hair gradient. The bold mid-fade and precise facial hairstyle create a balanced and harmonious appearance. For extra styling, apply some gel to make those spikes stand out. Number 2. Flat top haircut for curly hair: even though the flat top was designed for straight or fine natural hair, its curly counterpart is not to be overlooked. The cut not only tames the curls, but also gives them a sharp, highlighted appearance. Adding some oil drops to your curly hair will make the look more textured and soften the hair as well. Number 3. Tousled undercut: you don't have to be a professional barber to recognize that the undercut allows for an infinite number of hairstyles for men. Furthermore, the latest messy hair trend appears even more organic and harmonious, providing a new spin on the undercut. Because the undercut is now one of the most popular men's haircuts, it has a dizzying array of styling options. Number 4. Chic men's haircut for thick hair: thick hair tends to live its own life the majority of the time it is styled. This is why barbers created layers and high fade men's hairstyles. They can lighten up your mane and make it behave. As a result, you can create a stylish outlined pompadour with cleanly faded sides. A side part is the latest fashion trend in men's fashion. Because thick hair will not hold the proper shape for long, consider shaving the part. Number 5. Modern pompadour plus drop fade: the rockabilly male hairstyles that you're used to seeing on Elvis don't stop evolving. Here's a sleek and eye-catching modern take on the pompadour. The drop fade creates a pleasant cascading shadow that complements the full, evenly styled top. If you want to go with a fade, make sure it blends in with your facial hairstyle evenly. Otherwise, the appearance will be too abrupt. Number 6. Fade haircut: the term fade first appeared in African American barbershops to describe an aggressively tight taper in men's hair. With a machine or clippers, the hair on the sides and back is cut, tapered, as close as possible. The image then fades up to the top of the head. The top hair can be styled neatly or with a messy texture using gel, paste, or a strong pomade. The faded haircut is sometimes incorrectly referred to as the military reg haircut. This is incorrect, however, because each military service branch has different hair length regulations that cannot be generalized into a single haircut for all. Number 7. Comb over fade haircut: skin fade comb: a comb over fade, also known as a skin fade comb, combines a classic fade length with a textured comb over and side part. To finish the comb over fade haircut and achieve a textured comb over, apply some dry shampoo for volume and piece the ends of your hair with a matte pomade. Number 8. Razor fade haircut: the razor fade haircut, also known as the straight razor fade, is a skin-tapered fade cut in which the guy's hair is shaved on the sides and back. Suitable as a foundation for slick back hair, taper fade haircut, comb-over hairstyle, or even a medium haircut messy hairstyle cut with a razor blade fade. A base for sophisticated hairstyles such as undercut textured spikes, mohawk fade, or undercut wavy locks. Number 9. Fade buzz haircut: the faded buzz haircut is created by shaving the back and sides to a uniform length. The hair on top of the head, on the other hand, is trimmed to a slightly, just slightly, longer length. As the shaved sides are blended into the top hair, this forms the foundation of a fade. This style looks great with a well-groomed beard and will be popular in 2022. Number 10. Slick back hairstyle. The classic slick back is still one of the most stunning hairstyles available. The slick back hairstyle is both simple and sexy, and it can make the wearer appear mature, sexy, casual, businesslike. Brush your hair back and use some pomade on damp hair to keep a bit of moisture and secure the final shape to achieve your slick back style. Number 11. Men's side fringe hairstyle: the side fringe is making the most of a comeback among all fringes. It doesn't matter if your hair is long, short, bobbed, or cropped. There's a side fringe for everyone. Aside from those of you with afro hair, while almost everyone looks good with a fringe, it's all about where the edge ends, especially with a straight fringe. If you choose a long straight fringe, keep in mind that it will highlight your cheekbones or brow skimming. A straight fringe hairstyle should complement the face shape and jawline. Number 12. Ivy League hairstyle: the Ivy League or Princeton haircut, like the crew cut, leaves enough hair on top of the head to be parted or combed aside. The Ivy League haircut defines the face, making it ideal for men with strong cheekbones or a prominent jawline. Brad Pitt, who wore a popular style induction cut in the film Inglourious Basterds, is an excellent inspiration for this cut. Ivy League is the haircut for you if you want to look attractive, seductive, and masculine. This exquisite haircut is both casual and professional in appearance. As a result, it can be used in the office or daily. The Ivy League hairstyle is a flexible style. Number 13. Skater haircut: if you enjoy extreme biking or skating, the classic skater haircut will suit you perfectly. All skater hairstyles and haircuts with a medium length feature swoopy front bangs that are styled to avoid covering the eyes. Because of the natural flow and shape of skater haircuts, men can wear helmets for a modern and edgy look. The following are the most fashionable and cool long, medium, and short skater haircuts for 2022. This look is both inspiring and simple to maintain. While your top hair is free, shaved or faded sides allow you to add some real stark contrast and modern laid-back touch to your appearance. A clean side hairstyle not only lets your strong facial features stand out for a cool masculine vibe, but also reduces the amount of maintenance and barber visits required. If you want a hairstyle that emphasizes volume, length, and dominance, this is the style for you. The textured finish has always been the most popular and appears to be the most popular, whether for short or long hair. However, that is only the beginning of how you can customize your hairstyle with the most recent hair cutting trends. Take a vivid look at the photos we've compiled for you and try to match your hair texture and face shape to them to determine which hairstyle will suit you best. Guys, wait, before we move towards the end of this video, here is a quick fact based on research. Hair is made almost entirely of protein. Consuming enough is important for hair growth. Animal studies show that protein deficiency may decrease hair growth and even lead to hair loss. However, actual protein deficiency is extremely rare in Western countries. And also, iron helps red blood cells carry oxygen to your cells. This makes it an important mineral for many bodily functions, including hair growth. Iron deficiency, which causes anemia, is a major cause of hair loss. It's especially common in women. We'll come back with more updates and trends like these. Until then, shower your love by giving the video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments what you thought of this video. See you soon.